Fubara don drop another hint, say e go soon return to government house. Welcome country people to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. E go alert you once we drop update. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, the suspended governor of Rivers State, Siminalayi Fubara, he don give another big hint of the things wey im people go expect very soon. This time, e dey assure say steps dey go on to take stabilize governance. And this hint wey e give so, e dey suggest say democracy e dey around the corner after more than 2 months of the initial 6 months of state of emergency. Recently, he urged im followers make dem turn the next page. Dat na wetin people understand to mean say make dem drop agitation against the state of emergency and attacks on the president, and also make dem embrace the new leaf of praising President Bola Tinubu, and also make dem stop all the attacks on the Federal Capital Territory Minister, Nyesom Wike. Una go observe say after the night of tribute of late elder statesman Pa Edwin Kiagbodo Clark, where the governor openly tell im supporters say make dem no worsen im problem, that make dem follow im example, and so make dem temper their utterances. Say because dem dey believe now say na him dey instigate these people. Although many of im supporters no happy say the governor take that step, but you go come discover say since after that time, all the criticisms, all the attacks, dem come drop. Although na few ones we come dey hear from here and there, but the major supporters dem come go offline. Na this idea so the governor dey try to make dem understand, to turn the next page so that im wilderness experience go come to an end. For this El-el Kabir message to the Muslim community for Rivers State, Fubara dey assure the citizens. He say ongoing steps e dey take place to stabilize governance and to revive the economy. He say their concerns, he say dem go address am with political solutions. And this one now, people dey hint say e get to do with im recent visit to both President Tinubu and Wike, where dem dey report say e dey go beg dem. Fubara no dey hide the fact say e dey beg dem, and im dey believe say this move wey e dey make so, e go restore am back to im seat for government house. Although this im approach, e dey bring criticisms, like of late when one businessman Isaac Fayose, e dey call am weakling. E say na weak man because today e go stand for President Tinubu door, tomorrow na Wike gate. Na there the Isaac Fayose come say e regret say e fight for Fubara, say Fubara na weak man. Of course, Fubara, true to type, e no answer am one word, because na him wear the shoe, na him know where the shoe dey pinch am. So im dey urge the people, e say make dem understand say im new approach, that approach to dey seek peace, He say although e go be a sour grape for their mouth, but na the only way for am. The governor come call for continued prayers for the peace and progress of Rivers State. He come say im administration e dey unwavering to protect the lives and the welfare of all residents. He call on Muslims for Rivers State and across the world make dem reflect on the powerful values of sacrifice, obedience, and faith as they dey mark the holy celebration of El-el Kabir, wey dey also known as Eid al-Adha. He said the festival e dey commemorate the deep devotion of Prophet Ibrahim when e dey willing to sacrifice im son in obedience to the wish of God. He said this practice na global one, na be say na all over the world, and they dey mark am with solemn prayers, animal sacrifices, and they dey share meat with family, friends, and especially the people wey e not to get for society. For a message when a chief press secretary Nelson Shukudi e bring out, Fubara dey encourage Muslims make dem use the occasion as an opportunity to pray for peace, unity, and prosperity, especially for a time like this when Nigerians dey face serious challenges from insecurity and economic difficulties. E come stress say forgiveness, compassion, and unity dem dey cardinal, dem dey central, na im be the core of the teachings of the festival. And so make the faithfuls dem make dem act on these values for their everyday life. The governor dey speak on behalf of im wife and im family. He say make the Muslim community make dem recommit themselves to the principles of sacrifice, faith, obedience, and the values wey e describe say dem dey critical to build a stable and united society. E dey emphasize say without a shared vision and a determined action, we no go fit make meaningful progress. On im challenges recently, the governor dey acknowledge the patience and sacrifices wey the people dey make to support the growth of the state. He admit say many aspirations dem never fit meet am due to the political challenges. He say but still dem don still achieve something. My country people, you go agree with me say the posture wey the suspended governor of Rivers State, Siminalayi Fubara, don adopt, e go fit look like a weak man for your eye, but na the posture of somebody who truly want peace. Yes, e go be like say the federal might don corner am, but then na im the people of Rivers want. And if na peace be the only way im go take get am, even if you call am conditional peace, so be it. Mistakes don happen, but then the state need to go forward. So as the man dey call on his supporters, he say make dem not too vex, even though wetin e dey do dem no go like am. He say but na the only way for the state to move forward. I no go gree, I no go gree. Our people say e dey tear cloth. So as Fubara don choose this path, make im people make dem support am so that he can return back to government house to deliver the dividends of democracy wey the people dey expect from am. How una see this im call for peace, even though e dey use the occasion of the celebration of El-el Kabir by the Muslims to take bring out dis message. If you get anything to tell us, make you put am for the comment section.